So what do you say about a place that's as beautiful as this? I mean, I don't have much words to describe it, except this is probably one of my favorite spots I've been to. I'm at a place called St. Lucia Beach. I'm actually maybe a little bit south of there because I walked down a ways because I saw these rocks right here. So when I saw that, I was like, you know what? I got to get some footage of that. Looks pretty cool. So I'm going to put the drone up right here. I'll fly down, kind of give you an overhead view of this place. This is the second time I was here. It's kind of a surf spot a little bit north of us over there. So I'm gonna film some surfers with the drone. And yeah, let's do this. Morning drone patrol. What's up? This is a beach you'll see a lot of people surfing, especially on bigger wave days. The waves are like, I think 1 to 2, maybe 2.5 feet today, and there are some surfers out here. It does get bigger certain times, you know, when the storms go past. But today's, you know, a little thigh high, which isn't bad. At least they can get out and have some fun. Makes them for some good aerial photography though, that's for sure. I enjoyed filming them. Yeah, I like this beach all in all. I think this is like a really cool place, and I recommend it just because of that. It just sets off this really cool vibe, and yeah, I don't know. Am I making sense? So this is like the main entrance. We're actually going out but we came in the other one, but I just wanted to show you this one while we're out here, so check this out. So this is the Santa Lucia beach. You'll hear me call it the St. Lucia beach because I'm wrong and I always make mistakes like that. But it's the Santa Lucia beach access. Here at this beach access there is two entrances. The one that I like to take, which is kind of like a tunnel of vegetation. But then there's the other one that has the wood platform that goes over the sand dune, which is really nice too. Just saw a lizard over there. B-roll lizard now. That was kind of cool. And this beach access is on Martin County, right off of A1A by Sailfish Point. It has benches, it has a shower at each entrance, no public restrooms. Well, it has a good amount of parking. Good amount of parking you can see. Now this is the entrance to the, oh, somebody's walking by. How you doing?
Doing well, how are you?
Doing good. All right, here we go. That is the path. Some butterflies. This place gives off a certain vibe. I don't know how to explain it. But I mean, just check it out. Whoa. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is just a beautiful place, and I don't even think beautiful is a good enough word. But yeah, definitely if you're in this area, check it out. And I'm Scott, and I'm gonna enjoy this beach some more.